Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to split audio in Audacity. This is a complete beginner-friendly guide, and I will show every step on the screen. Just follow along. First, open Audacity on your computer. Once the program opens, import the audio file that you want to split. Go to the File menu, choose Import, and then click Audio. Select your audio file and click Open. The audio waveform will appear in the editing area. Now move your mouse to the Selection tool. This tool allows you to place the cursor exactly where you want to split the audio. Click on the waveform at the position where you want to create the split. The cursor will appear at that point in the track. Next, go to the Edit menu at the top of the screen. Move your mouse to Clip Boundaries and then click Split. Audacity will split the audio into two separate clips. You will now see that the audio track has been divided into two clips. These clips can be moved independently, which is useful for editing, rearranging, or removing sections of audio. To make the split easier to see, zoom in using the Zoom In tool. This allows you to view the waveform more closely and place the split point more accurately. Now move your mouse to the Time Shift or Move tool, depending on your version of Audacity, and drag one of the clips slightly to the left or right. This will create a visible gap between the two clips, making the split clearly visible. Click the play button to listen to the audio before and after the split. Hello everyone, the clips will play in sequence. Unless you move them, I will show you how to cut audio. You can create multiple splits in the same audio file. Simply click at another position in the waveform, go to Edit, then Clip Boundaries and click Split again. Each split creates another separate clip that can be edited independently. This is especially useful for podcasts, interviews, voiceovers, and music editing. If you accidentally split the audio in the wrong place, go to the Edit menu and click Undo, or press Ctrl and Z on your keyboard. This will remove the split and restore the original clip. After splitting the audio, you can select a clip, move it, delete it, or apply effects to only that clip without affecting the rest of the track. When you finish editing, go to the File menu, choose Export, and then click Export as MP3. Choose the folder where you want to save the file, enter a file name, and click Save. If the metadata window appears, click OK to complete the export process. That is how you can split audio in Audacity, create separate clips, move them independently, and export the final audio as an MP3 file. If this video helped you, please like the video, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.